Hi, in today's video we are going to be folding children's jeans, cargo pants, and the carpenter jeans. Those Konmari method, they take up a lot less space in your drawers, on your shelf, and in storage containers for the hand-me-downs. So most people fold their children's jeans in half, and then in half again, and then half once more. And boys and girls the same. Now most people are going to think you can just add that extra fold and it's going to be great, but that's just too much material and that's just going to be too bulky. So the first change we want to pay attention to is if the waistband is an elastic waistband, we want to make sure that we put the leg cuff just below where the elastic waistband is so that it's not really bulky there. And the second change is that instead of folding this into half, we're going to be folding it into thirds. So now we can stand it up, we can see the pocket detail, and we can see it nice and compact. It takes up a lot less space. Don't go away yet, we have two more changes that can make your life even better. So the third change is a change that I've only seen with the Konmari method, so you can comment below if it's with any other methods. So we fold in the crotch area, not too much that it goes in, but so that we can make it not stick out, and then we have our straight line. It looks better, but it also fits better in drawers and on the shelves. And in children's drawers and shelves, you're going to have more than one row usually. So then when you're taking pants in and out of the drawers, they're not catching on other items. And this just makes it a lot easier to maintain those drawers and keep them tidy. So the fourth change is to fold it so you can see the details. So with these carpenter jeans, there's a design on the back pocket as well as just below that pocket. So we have that facing down, so that it's not inside all of our folds, it's on the outside. And then you can immediately see what you have, grab which one you want, and you don't make a mess of the drawer or the shelf or the bin. So Konmari folding, file folding takes up less space, and it makes your day easier.